Thank you for tuning in. On this episode, we will be looking at how to change your cabin air filter in your vehicle. But before I get to that, I would really appreciate it if you would click the like, click subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Hey everybody. This time, we're going to change out this. This happens to be the cabin air filter for this vehicle. And what a cabin air filter does is it filters any of the air that's coming from outside the vehicle into the inside of the vehicle for the air conditioning or the heating or just when you have the fan on. A lot of cars don't have this. This one happens to, and here's the number for this one. This is a Jeep Patriot 2015. I'm going to get you set up, show you how to change this. On this particular vehicle, the cabin air filter is located directly behind the glove box. In this case, I need to open this glove box, and we need to move it down enough to get behind it. So I'm going to open this, and you want to take everything out. And for this particular glove box, there are just two pieces. You need to pull this way, and it will kind of slide down, and you need to pull this one in. So together, these kind of slide down. And then there is another piece right here, which I'm going to show you if I can get the camera around here. This piece right here that has this little string around it. And you may be tempted on this one to try and pull that string off around here, and you can do it that way. But this piece actually just slides down and pops out. And I need both hands to do this, I think. Maybe I can do this one-handed. I'm going to need both hands to do this, but I'll show you what it looks like off. I took both hands and I slid this piece down. Now I should just be able to push it out and it will come out. You can see there's a notch where it slides up there. But what that will allow is for this glove box to hang further down. I'm going to get you set back up and we'll get that changed real quick. So I've got you set back up, and if you look right here, you'll see this square piece right here where it says airflow with the arrows pointing in the direction that the air does flow. So the air will flow across this filter this way from top to bottom. The way you get this out is you just pinch the sides of here. There's one, and then there's two. And this cap will just come off. And you see, here is the old air filter. And you can see it already looks dirty. It has on it the arrows that show the direction of the airflow. So when we put the new one in, we want to make sure that we get the airflow arrows the same way. And here's the reason you want to change this. This thing is pretty disgusting. Now I will put this next to the new one. Here's the difference between the new, obviously, and the old. So if you notice that your AC or your heat and the fan doesn't seem to be blowing as much, this could be a possibility that this is clogged up. So just replace it with a new one. This new one, it does say airflow right here, pointing down. So this filter has to go in this way. So we've got the new filter in. I'm going to put this back on. Remember, airflow down. It just pops back into place. So we've got this back in place. So I've got the string that came off of there. I'm going to put that back in place here. And then we just need to put this back in like that. So now that we've got all of this put back together, we can put this back in. And that's it. We are done.